Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting the original, duplicate the layer so edits are non-destructive. Next, make a precise selection of the unwanted object using lasso, quick select, or marquee. Aim for tight but include a small context margin. Once done, refine the selection. Apply a 0.5 to 3 px feather and smooth edges to avoid hard seams. Make sure to consider nearby texture direction. Doing this now dramatically improves source sampling and reduces visible cloning artifacts when you invoke content-aware fill. Now enter the content-aware fill workspace and enable the sampling area overlay so you can see which pixels the algorithm uses. Choose auto sampling for general fixes or switch to custom to draw excluded regions and stop the tool from sampling problematic textures. Then tune the fill settings. Increase color adaptation for blended tones, enable rotation and scale if the source needs transformation, and use mirror sparingly. These adjustments shape how the algorithm synthesizes pixels, which is why careful configuration prevents mismatched patterns. Apply the fill and inspect results at 100%. Look specifically at edges and texture direction. If you see residual seams or repeated patterns, undo and refine the sampling area or reduce the selection slightly, then run content-aware fill again. Once near perfect, finish with targeted clone stamp or spot healing to rebuild tiny details. As a final step, add subtle color balance or curves to match tones. If things still look off. The key troubleshooting tip: redefine the sampling area to exclude confusing sources before reapplying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.